Your Enonic solution usually consists of multiple apps, and their installation and updating are most often done by a technical administrator or DevOps. An admin must first install an app, then enable it on your specific site. This can be done in several ways, but here are a couple of non-technical methods. Method 1, through Enonic XP. Find the Applications tool from either the Enonic XP Start screen or from the XP menu inside Content Studio. Here you can see a list of your currently installed apps. Choose the Install option in the upper left. This opens the Install Application wizard. In this list you can see all the available apps from Enonic Market, and whether they are installed, need to be updated, or can be installed. Just click Install for a fast and easy install. Method 2, through the Cloud Console. Enonic solutions running in the Enonic Cloud cannot be installed from the XP menu, and must be installed through the Cloud Console. Click Manage on your preferred solution, then choose Applications from the left-hand menu. Here you can see a list of your currently installed applications. Click Install, choose the target environment, and then choose Enonic Market. You have now brought up the full application list, familiar from the previous method. Installing an app is not always enough, since apps extending your website functionality need to be added to and enabled on your site as well. First, edit your site, then browse the Applications drop-down menu to find and apply the app, before saving. Some apps require configuration before you can use them properly. Find them in the Applications list in the site editor, then click the pencil icon next to it. This opens the settings, where you can make all the necessary changes before going live.